all of you on my YouTube channel. So here I have started a video lecture series for IIT JEE preparation, and in that I am recording mathematics lectures. So in the mathematics earlier we have seen complex number introduction. So now in the complex number we will see some more concepts. So I will explain you that okay. So this space we call first quadrant. This space we call second quadrant. This space we call third quadrant. And this space we call fourth quadrant. Okay. So if complex number is here in this region, so we will write complex number always like z equals to a plus ib. So this a will be always be positive, as well as this b will be always be positive if z is lying in the first quadrant. Okay, and if z is occurring in the second quadrant, then we will write like z equals to minus a plus ib. So a will be negative and b will be positive. And if z is occurring in the third quadrant, then z will be minus a minus ib. So a will also be negative and b is also be negative. Okay. So if z is lying on the fourth quadrant, then z equals to a minus ib. A will also be positive and b is negative. Understood? So now if we have any complex number, then we can easily identify that it will be on the which side, either first quadrant or second quadrant or third quadrant or fourth quadrant. Okay, so we will see some basic examples. So z equals to 1 plus I, z1 equals to 1 plus I, z2 equals to minus 2 plus I, z3 equals to minus 1 minus root 3I, and z4 equals to minus 1 minus I. So now z1, in the z1 a is positive and b is positive, so z1 occur in first quadrant, and in the z2 a is negative and b is positive, so it will lie on second quadrant. And for z3 a negative and b is also negative, so it will lie on the third quadrant. And for the fourth quadrant, for the fourth quadrant, positive 1, okay, positive 1 and minus I, so it will lie on the fourth quadrant. Understood? So I think it's very easy. So now we will see the angle also, argument also. So if complex number is here and alpha complex number z will be tan inverse y upon x. Okay, so if complex number is here, so angle of that complex number from positive z axis will always be alpha, and if complex number is here, then angle from the positive x-axis will be theta equals to pi minus alpha. If complex number is here, so angle will be theta equals to minus pi. Sorry for this ink, I don't know why it's not working. So angle will be minus pi plus alpha, and if complex number is here in the fourth quadrant, then angle will be always minus alpha. Okay, so keep these points in mind. These are very important concepts, very important concepts. Okay, so now we will see some examples to find argument as well as modulus of any complex number. Okay, so z equals to 1 plus I. So modulus of z equals to 1 square plus 1 square under root, then it will have root 2, and argument of z will be tan inverse 1 upon 1 equals to 45. Okay, I think it's very easy. So if we have complex number z equals to minus 1 minus I, then mod of z equals to 1 square plus 1 square equals to root 2, and argument of z equals to tan inverse minus 1 upon minus 1, so it will have 45 degree. Okay, so 45 degree, because it is lying in the third quadrant, then it means it will be minus pi plus alpha, so minus 180, so equals to minus 135. Understood? And the last one is if z equals to minus 1 plus root 3I. So mod of z equals to 1 square plus root 3 square, so 1 plus 3, so okay, and argument of z equals to tan inverse root 3 by 1, so it will be 60 degree, and as this number is lying in the second quadrant, so angle will be pi minus alpha, so 180 minus 60 equals to 120 degree. Understood? So thank you so much. I think you have got all the concepts. Thank you so much.